So we're doing a new construction inspection, and I wanted to talk about my bathroom exhaust fans. And so you see how it's coming out of right here, out of the fan area, and then it kind of wanders here and then elbows. So elbows this way, then it goes back this way. It looks like a snake smoking marijuana or something. I don't know. It's pretty sad. You don't want these angles in here because every single angle equals resistance, and also that will also slow down how much draw you get, reduce your draw, and create areas that will actually catch the dust and hold it to any kind of dirt or filth that gets inside of here. And you can't really help your elbow here. You could have just went this way. But apparently, this guy, the fella that put this in, he had this little extra pipe, and he didn't want to spend the time of cutting it. So what he did is he halfway did it, and now you got a mess. Now, the customer would never know this in a million years because by the time this gets filled up full insulation and drywalled, he'll never see it. This is why these people are doing a new construction inspection. So, like I said, you just bring it from right over here, and you could have put it over here. You could have had a couple of 45s instead of this massive snake mess. Anyway, I hope this has been educational. Give us a call, Galloway Building Services. We're here to make sure you're getting what you paid for. You're not getting ripped off, and the job's being done right. Thank you, folks. Have a great day.